Good morning to all my YouTube viewer families. Today's first question is, new species of spider cricket Indomimus jayanti has been found in which state? Madhya Pradesh, Telangana, Kerala, Chhattisgarh. The correct answer is Chhattisgarh. The Zoology Department of Punjab University, Chandigarh, in April 2021, by a team of zoologists headed by Dr. Ranjan Jaiswara, discovered a new species of spider cricket named Indomimus jayanti. It was found in the Kura caves of Chhattisgarh. The new species was named after Professor Jayant Biswas. Question number 2. Which state's health department was introduced the Doctor's Right Towards Village Site program? Telangana, Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Karnataka. The correct answer is Karnataka. Under this scheme, the government provides necessary logistic support for the teams led by medical students to visit villages and provide better health care during the pandemic. Question number 3. Who among the following has been oathed as chief as personnel? Sunil Mehta, Jay Narayan, Raju Mehta, D.K. Tripathi. The correct answer is D.K. Tripathi. Vice Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi, who has commanded various operation and staff appointments, assumed charge as Chief of Personnel. Question number 4. Who has assumed the presidency of CII? Mansingh Tomar, Gopal Kanda, Rajesh Kumar, T.V. Narendran. The correct answer is T.V. Narendran. Industry Chamber CII state it has elected T.V. Narendran CEO and MD. Tata Steel as its new president for 2021 to 2022. He takes over from Uday Kotak, Managing Director and Chief Executive Office, Kotak Mahindra Bank. Question number 5. Which institution has honored Dr. Harshavardhan with special recognition for tobacco control? UNICEF, WHO, IMF, IFCO. The correct answer is WHO. The World Health Organization WHO honored Union Health Minister Harshavardhan with Director General Special Award for his efforts to control tobacco consumption in India on World No Tobacco Day. Question number 6. Which country has successfully launched a cargo spacecraft Tianzhou 2? Israel, France, Japan, China. The correct answer is China. It was blasted off via a Long March 7Y3 rocket from the Wenchang Space Launch Center in the South China Sea. It is the third and largest orbital station launched by China's increasingly ambitious space program. Question number 7. World's first human case of H10N3 bird flu has been reported in which of the following country? Brazil, China, Gambia, Malawi. The correct answer is China. China has reported the world's first case of a human infected H10N3 avian influenza in its eastern province of Jiangsu. The case has been detected in the male aged 41. Question number 8. Who among the following has assumed charge as the Chief of Personnel in Indian Navy recently? Swaraj Prakash, D.K. Tripathi, Abhay Raghunath Karve, Yashwant Prasad. The correct answer is D.K. Tripathi. The Chief of Personnel COP in the Indian Navy is a senior appointment in the rank of Vice Admiral Dinesh K. Tripathi as assumed charge as the Chief of Personnel. Question number 9. Who among the following has been nominated to Rajya Sabha recently? Mahesh Jethmalani, Swapan Das Gupta, Ripun Bora, or both A and B? The correct answer is Mahesh Jethmalani. The senior advocate Mahesh Jethmalani has been nominated to the Rajya Sabha. Mahesh Jethmalani is a son of renowned lawyer Ram Jethmalani, who was also a member of Rajya Sabha. Question number 10. Sinovac COVID vaccine of which of the following country has been approved by WHO for emergency use listing? Russia, India, China, United States. The correct answer is China. World Health Organization WHO has approved China's Sinovac vaccine for emergency use. The Sinovac vaccine has been found to be safe, effective and quality assured following 2 doses of the inactive vaccine. The Director General of WHO, Tedros Adhanom, Headquarters, Geneva, Switzerland. Question number 11. Which of the following institution developed Ambitag, India's first indigenous temperature data logger for cold chain management? Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar; Indian Institute of Technology, Mumbai; Indian Institute of Technology, Delhi; Indian Institute of Technology, Madras. Correct answer is A, Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar. This Indian Institute of Technology, Ropar, IIT Ropar in Punjab, has developed a first of its kind LOT device, Ambitag, that record real-time ambient temperature during the transformation of perishable products, vaccines and even body organs and blood. Question number 12. Name the Indian pugilist who won a gold medal in the 91 kg weight category at the Asian Boxing Champion. Sushil Kumar, Sangeet Kumar, Sanjay Kumar, Sanjeet Kumar. The correct answer is Sanjeet Kumar. In explanation, there was a spelling mistake that here I write as Sangeet, but it was Sanjeet. It's not G, it's J. So please write it. I'm sorry for the mistake. Sanjeet pulled for a massive upset as he defeated 5 times Asian Championship medalist and Rio Olympic silver medalist Vasily Levist of Kazakhstan in a 3-2 split decision in the final of in Dubai to clink the gold. Question number 13. Who recently appointed as the chairman of the newly formed self-regulator body Digital Media Content Regulator Council, DMCRC? Options are Justice Vikramjit Sen, Justice B. Kemal Pasha, Justice C.S. Karnan, Justice Arun Mishra. Correct answer is Justice Vikramjit Sen. The Indian Broadcast Foundation, IBF, announced the appointment of former Supreme Court Judge Justice Vikramjit Sen as the chairman of its newly formed self-regulator body Digital Media Content Regulator Council. Question number 14. As per the Center for World University Ranking 2021-22, which institute is the best in India? IIFT New Delhi, IISc Bangalore, IIT Madras, IIM Ahmedabad. The correct answer is IIM Ahmedabad is the best in country. 68 Indian institute in top 2000 Center for World University Ranking. Question number 15. WHO names COVID-19 variants first found in India as, and 2 names are there for COVID-19 variants: Kappa and Delta, DDTS and VVT, Kappa and Charlie, Drone and Tron. The correct answer is Kappa and Delta. The UN Health Agency, World Health Organization WHO, has given easy to sell labels to 2 variants of the COVID-19 first found in India. The 2 variants are B.1.617.1 and B.1.617.2. The B.1.617.1 variant as the COVID-19 has been named as Kappa, and the B.1.617.2 variant is named as Delta. Question number 16. The last surviving former member of Indian Constituent Assembly passed away: Ratnappa Kumbar, Frank Anthony, T.M. Kalyannan Gounder, Leena Roy. The correct answer is T.M. Kalyannan Gounder. T.M. Kalyannan Gounder, The last surviving former member of the Indian Constituent Assembly died at the age of 101. Question number 17. Magma Fincorp. Question number 17. Magma Fincorp appoints Dash as chairman as part of a management of overhaul. Roshni Singh, Vikram Arora, Sanjay Tiwari, Adar Poonawalla. Correct answer is Adar Poonawalla. Adar Poonawalla controlled Rising Sun Holding, acquiring a controlling stake in it. Question number 18. Which was become the latest country to sign space agreement with NASA? New Zealand, Germany, North Korea, Saudi Arabia. The correct answer is New Zealand. New Zealand is the 11th allegnatory to Artemis Accords. Question number 19. Which state government launched X-ray wheels? Odisha, Maharashtra, Kerala, Assam. The correct answer is Odisha. Today's last question, question number 20. Which country brought the 3 children policies? Japan, India, Nepal, China. So here the correct answer is China. I forgot to color the word, sorry for that. The correct answer is China. Okay. Question option number D, China. Due to the rapid increase of population in the year of 1920, the government strictly announced to having 1 child. Then again, when sees that there was then again decreasing of population in 2016, then government again announced to having the 2 child. Again seeing there was a decrement, then government announced to having the 3 child in 2021. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, please share and subscribe. Thank you for listening, Miss.